In front of me is Oppo A40 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Select OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu. Now you need to edit your shortcuts by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting Edit Tiles. Look for Caffeine shortcut under More Functions and then add it to your currently used ones. Go back and click on your new shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!